Hey everyone, today we'll be kicking it off with what is the best email to use when setting up your YouTube channel. And this is actually one of the most common mistakes new creators make. So today's video will be breaking it down. When it comes to YouTube, you need a Gmail account to set up your YouTube channel. Here is why it is important to use a business email instead of using a personal email to set up your YouTube channel. First, using a business email to set up your YouTube channel makes your channel look very professional. Secondly, a business email helps in protecting your personal identity and data. Thirdly, a business email helps to keep your workflow super organized. And finally, it helps in scaling your channel super easy. I will walk you through how to set it up, but I will break it down in two different stages. The first stage is for someone who is starting from scratch to create a Gmail account. Then the second phase is someone who already have a Gmail account but wants to switch it from the personal to the business. But please, it is important to know that when I talk about business account, I don't mean the paid professional business account on Google. I'm talking about the free one, which Google also see as a personal account, but in this case it comes with a lot of features and benefits, like I said at the beginning. So just wanted to put this out there so that you don't get confused with the business account I'm referring to. Alright, for those creating a brand new Gmail, all you need to do is to open your browser. In my case, I'm using Google Chrome. Now type Google and go to Google's official site, as you can see here. Now on this page, come over to this profile icon over here, click on that and come down to add account, and it will bring you to this page. And on this page, simply come down here and click on create account. Now you will see the options that came up on this drop down menu. Since we are going for a business account, as you can see, it is right here for work or my business. Alright, so you click on that one. Now it will get you to this point, and on this page you need to focus on this section. So on this get a Gmail address, you click on that. Then here you fill in your name. So in this case, I will just pick a random name and then click on next. So you fill in your basic information, date of birth. Then here you need to choose the name you want your Gmail to have. So I will just repeat Coco Mama, and let's see if it is available. The user is taken, so maybe I will just add 1559. Alright, it's available. So at this point, you choose your password, and it is important to make it very complex so that it cannot be easily hacked. And another thing you should also have in mind, try not to use the name you will use on your YouTube to create this email, to avoid all these hackers to spam and invade your channel. Sometimes when you use your channel's name, they can easily guess that. They can try their luck. Let's say the channel name is Coco Mama on YouTube, so they can easily just type cocomama@gmail.com and try it, and if it works, they can send you all these trojans as a mail, and if you mistakenly click on that, they will take over your channel. So try not to use the name you are using for your channel in setting up this Gmail. Alright, I mean, that is for me, and I feel it makes more sense that way. So let's say we've taken a name and now we'll pick a very strong password, and in this case you can mix uppercase, lowercase, special characters, numbers and alphabets. Just try and make it very complex. So now let me choose one. Alright, now we have a password. Next. Now on this page you see this is new. Formerly this doesn't come up, so that is to tell you that Google is really improving on their security. So now it is requesting me to scan this with my phone so that I can continue with my phone. And if you notice, they said open your camera app, scan the code and tap the link, then follow a few more steps on your phone to complete verification. You will need to switch back to this device to continue. So scanning the QR code won't associate your device or phone number with the new Google account. So let's quickly do that. I will just open my camera and scan it. So I need to verify my phone number right now, and it is via SMS. Alright, scanned, and on my phone screen a message popped up, but I'll screenshot that so that I can show you guys. And the message is for me to verify my phone number. Your phone will open an SMS message with a code you need to send to verify your phone. Your carrier may charge for SMS messages. What I'm going to do right now is to send the code, allow, and I just received the code. And at this point, let me quickly screenshot to show you guys. And here we have the code, and I need to send it now. So let me quickly do it. Here is the number. So now I will just send it. Sent. So now let's wait and see what happens. Alright, as you can see on the screen, it has granted me access. But to be very honest, it wasn't like this before. I mean, you don't need to pay anything. No SMS, no QR code scanning and all that. But from what you just saw, you see that they've improved on their security measures, which is not bad. Now at this point, the next thing you will do is to add a recovery email. Just choose a random email you will add here, but you can as well skip it. I will be skipping that for now, not really necessary, but it is important to add a recovery email should you have an attack, a virus attack, or someone is trying to log you out or take control. Through the recovery email, you can retrieve your account back. So it's important. So at this point, you can see it is done, almost done. So click next, agree to the terms. Your Google account is ready. Now set up your business. So if you now want to further customize your business Gmail account, you can continue, but in this case I'm not going to do that now, so I will just click on not now, and voila, here we have a brand new account. All right, so as you can see, it is still notifying me to add a recovery phone number. That's how important that is. So, and there you have it, a brand new business Gmail account. So guys, that's how to create a business Gmail account. If you already have a personal account and want to switch to a business account, click the video on the screen now to continue. See you there.